Sheikh Sadi Shirazi, may Allah be pleased with him, he states that the face of the earth is like an open table of the Lord. It's like an open table of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, which basically means that when Allah tabarak wa ta'ala gives, He does not discriminate between genders or races or cultures or Muslims and non-Muslims. It is a universal blessing that Allah tabarak wa ta'ala has for everyone despite their culture or their races or their religions. Hazrat Khwaja Gharib Nawaz, Hazrat Moinuddin Chishti Ajmeri, may Allah be pleased with him, he states that, O person, be generous like a river. Because when a person is thirsty, in order to quench his thirst, the river makes sure that the same amount of water is being given to the Muslims as well as to the non-Muslims. He states that the river does not discriminate between the people. It is for everyone. It is for all. There is no discrimination in there. So my friends, we should be generous as well. There is a lot of hatred going on. There is less time and differences are great in today's time. There should be lesser differences. Unity is what is required, and we should endeavor to spread the message of love, to be united as human beings, in spreading love. And similarly, Hazrat Maulana Jalaluddin Rumi, may Allah be pleased with him, he states that, have you ever looked upon the sun? The sun provides sunlight to everyone. It does not discriminate. When the sun does not discriminate, my friends, when the rivers does not discriminate in providing water, in providing sunlight, when the moon does not discriminate in giving moonlight, why do we discriminate? Why do we discriminate and indulge into differences which Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala does not want us to? My friends, this world is a test for us, and this is how we live in this world. Do we live in this world and pass our time by discriminating all our lives, or do we just spread love and be united with people and share our love with everyone despite our color, race, gender, religion? My friends, this message of love is a universal message.